So hi everyone, how's it going? Hope you are doing well. So that's it. Well, I have shifted my mind from learning to building. And the thing here is like I'm telling my mind the idea here is to build anything no matter what. Just I need to train you to build things, okay? So what I'm doing here that I have started learning Golang and other fields like blockchain, Golang, maybe AI soon. It depends. Okay. So for this, what I did is like I am building actually my own ls command. Okay. But why I'm doing this, as I mentioned, I'm doing this to learn. Okay, to learn and build things. At the same time, um, for this one, it was this is ls command. Okay, this one, and this is my command. It was like this in the past. Okay, it does the things like this way. But what I did today, by the way, I am learning live. Okay, so I just open laptop, go live, and start building things. I'm building live. So, uh, so what I did, I changed it to do like this. So say go run and myls dot go, then that's it. So now it is doing it like this. So in the past it was doing like that. So we cannot differentiate between like whether this is file or directory or whatever. I mean in colors. So you cannot know if this file or directory or whatever. But for now, like here, since they are files, directories, so you can see them in blue, and these are files, you can see them in white. That's the first difference. The second difference, everything here is like vertical, but here I change it to be horizontal. All right, so that's it. And here a quick overview of the code, like what is it? So yeah, so here's a quick overview of the code. I will put the link, okay, where I was learning live, so you can see how I was learning all that. So here's the main code, all right? I'm not going to explain that because it's not big much of a deal, but it's just, let's take an overview. So here are some variables, like we need them. So here, this one is to set the default, okay, path, which is here. It's like if I just type my ls, and means that I am going to list the content of the current directory that I am in. If I give you the path, then go to the path, and this one is responsible to print 4 elements in the row. All right, and 4 elements, then move to the new line, and this is the counter. This checks if they are 4 or not. So, and this one is like a condition, okay, that works with this one. So if like the given if there is a given path, then go and list what's in it. If not, then list what's of the current directory. And this checks if there is an error or something like that. So like this one checks if there's an error like that. And this is one, it's to list the we will use this one to list the content of a file and print it, I mean, okay. And this one does that. So this one lists the content, and this function is responsible for coloring the directories. All right, and this one is responsible for making conditions, so to print a new line if like there are four elements per row. And this one is responsible for the part where if like the elements are printed 4 lines, but say for example in the last line you have only 2 elements or 3, you don't have 4, so you need, okay, a way to print them out, otherwise you will not see them, they will not be listed. So this one will handle that, and this function will handle the coloring for the folders, right, or directories actually. So if we have a directory, then its color will be in blue. Okay, if there is a file there, its color will be in white. And here what we see here is like formatting, and we are formatting the output. As we know that the Linux is not the terminal, just a bunch of plain text. So for that we need a way to like make it a bit interactive and a good UI, visual UI, or add visual elements. So we use what we call it ANSI. Okay, so I don't have exact definition of ANSI, but let's say it's a set of rules that controls or allows us to control the appearance of the text or the look of that plain text. So here is the start, and here is this means like we have blue color, and this one it's for printing this name here, okay, and this one which says like an end or stop doing. So for the ANSI, it's if you do not give like this one reset or like a stop or whatever here, so problem it would be like it starts here and says okay, color. I'm just supposed to color this one, but what it is going to do is going to color all of them, all of these ones. And the reason of that, you didn't say stop. So the ANSI understands that I have to color everything. So you have to say this one stop. That's it. So see ya next time, and I will try to include the video where I was learning, and I hope this was clear. And as I said, I am doing this to train my mind to learn how to build and like building the things and build gradually. Okay, so I'll try to build anything comes in my way. So that's it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Not this one, but this one. Yeah.